Hello friends, let us start with the organization systems and MIS. So basically organization, as the organization word comes, where a lot of people work together in some topology, or you say some chronology, they work together, and how the MIS is related with the organization system, that will be dealing in this slide. So there is always three layers of the company. Basically there is a top level management who is actually the CEO or MD or the board of directors of the company, who are actually responsible for raising funds to the company and taking very difficult decisions over here. So strategic decisions are being taken over here at the top level management. So basically there are less number of people are there in the top level management, but they are the cream people who are directly going to affect the middle level management as well as the operational level management. Here is the middle level management. Here the middle, basically the managers are here who are responsible for everyday working of the company. They are responsible for everyday working of the company. They basically deal with the tactical decisions. They work on tactical decisions. For example, if you consider Hero as a company of two-wheeler sales, the middle level management will come. There are 545 districts in India. So there are sales manager. There are 545 sales managers are available there who are looking for each and every district. So zonal managers and the senior level managers, national sales manager will come in top level executive. But as far as the middle level management is considered, here sales manager and the territory service manager, they will come in the middle level management. So they always deal with the tactical decisions over here. But as far as the operational department is considered, they try to take the operational decisions now and then. So how these operational decisions are being taken, and operationals, basically as far as the operational part is considered, here the low level workers are there, basically who are dealing with everyday jobs, basically like a receptionist or the people who are actually creating the product. So when laborers are here, so their operational decisions are there, who do only specific job now and then, again and again they repeat the same task. So basically here laborers are there. So this is the pyramid actually which is showing the organizational system as well as MIS. So my dear friends, now what is the target of MIS? To provide the right information in the right time at the right level. So means here some rights should be protected. This low level people should not be able to see what middle level management is able to see, and middle level management should not be able to see what top level management is having. But top level management should be able to see all these three layers. So top level should be able to see all the views which are available from top to bottom. But these labor people should not be able to see what is at the top, or middle level should not be able to see what is at the top. So it is very in here the right level word is very important. So what we called as authentication or is there. So operational level, the accuracy and timeliness of information collection and dissemination is very important at the operational level. In the tactical level, relevance of the watchword, and the efficiency is very much required at the operational level, and effectiveness is very much required at the tactical and strategic level. So this is the requirement at this stage. And as far as the organizational system and MIS is concerned, the mapping organizational level and structure into design of any MIS is very successful implementation. If any MIS is to be designed, some business models are to be studied. Business models are to be studied of that company. Basically their hierarchy is to be basically what is their hierarchy, or what is the level of management that has to be studied, and what the end users would be able to see, what kind of data they would be able to see. That is very important to understand, and accordingly that kind of views should be provided. So the person who is sitting at the low level should not be able to see what the top management results are available. So that is very important, so the mapping of the organizational level and structure, that design has to be created successfully by MIS, and implementing that design is very important. So my dear friends, in the next slide we are going to study about the technology component. Hope you will be staying tuned. Thank you.